Hello everyone, it is Susan and let's just plan. In today's video, we are going to work on my social media second week in January. These are the two sticker books, the productivity and the get social. Those are the two that I'm using. I have already pulled out a whole bunch of stickers and we will see what we do with them. This is a must for me. This tells me what I got going on when as an overview of the month. So this I need in front of me so I know what I'm doing. I did pull out this washi tape I'm hoping to use. Now you may have noticed that I am now doing my social media planning in the mini Plan Your Dreams planner book. And I actually last week, which was the first full week in January, I did come in and I did this spread right here. I do not have a video on this. As you can see, it is very eclectic. It is like I just took stickers that I had from different places, put them on there, and you know what? I love it. It's crazy. It's just all over the place and I love it. But that's me. But we're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna take the pages out for the next week, which is from January 11th. So let me go ahead and mark the date so I know what I'm doing here. So it's January 11th because it starts on a Monday. See, that confuses me a little bit because this starts on Sunday, yet this starts on Monday. So it gets a little confusing, but yeah, it's all good. So all I do is I take my, my black Signo Uniball and I just write the numbers on. It's not like a big deal, right? I mean, it looks good. It looks like it could even be like a sticker, right? Yeah, you know, so why not? So that's all I do for the dates. And what I do want to try to do is kind of keep a similar format to what I did last time. Last week. Alrighty, so let's begin. I have my coffee. I hope you have your coffee or tea or water or whatever it is that you're drinking as you're watching this video, and just kind of sit back and enjoy. What I would like to do, like I said, is keep it very similar to the previous week. So let me see, let me kind of pull this over here. So you're going to see on the bottoms, I put a long sticker. So those are the first things that I'm going to do. And yeah, it's kind of weird, you know, and I don't fully understand the sizes of the stickers yet, because even though this was pulled from a mini sticker book, it doesn't actually fit in there. So I'm a little confused about that. But anyway, so then I know I want to go ahead and put these little boxes up on top across the week. And I have already pulled those out, and I'm going to go ahead and put them up top. Okay, I like that very much. I do know I want to go in and grab one of these stickers. I may have to grab a second one for the other page. I do want to get it right up against those top stickers right there. Okay, I like that, but I need something here. So maybe this is where I could pull in some washi. This is from Carpe Diem, this washi tape, and it's okay if I go a little bit too long because I'll just cut it off. And so let's do that. So you can see here, I have little notes here, and then I have my bullet points down there. So you know what, let me actually do this differently. So this I'm gonna put up here. And I pulled out 3 of these. So I'm gonna go every other day on this one. And then I have other little notes or other little stickers that I'm going to put in there as well. I'm going to, I think, maybe put that in the middle of these two because Saturdays and Sundays are my busiest days as far as social media goes. At this point, I'm happy with the sticker placement, but my Saturday and my Sunday, which are my busiest days, are pretty bare. So I'm looking through these pages of stickers, which I had pulled out a while back. I don't even know what sticker books they're from, but they are very good for this type of planning where there's a lot of to-dos and, that kind of thing. So I added this to-do list on Saturday and Sunday, but now I'm looking to see, well, exactly which videos am I recording on January 16th and 17th. So it turns out, well, every Saturday I record this exact video, right? My media video every Saturday, and it goes live either on Saturday or Sunday. But I also record my weekly scripture writing video that and then on Sunday I record my memory keeping video. And of course, adding the flowers are my most favorite part of any spread that I do. And you can see I already added a flower to the left side of the spread. And now I'm going to work on the right side as well, as I'm going to put little flowers all around on the page. And as I finish getting these little flowers around the pages, I'm going to put one more sticker. It says one day at a time, and that's going to go over onto the left side. That gold sticker that's on the bottom of the left side says make today amazing. And this is going to be it for my social media spread in my mini planner. And I hope that you enjoyed the video, and please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And here's some photos for you to see up close. Stop on over to Instagram to see the pen to paper, and please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thank you.